All right, so I've gotten a few requests from people about how to install these presets. So I'm going to run through a quick demo here of how to install the presets and how to get everything set up in Lightroom. So first we're going to go and actually download the presets. Real quick, I'll show you a quick demo of the free ones I have available. So you can see some of the dynamic range we can increase, the mood and tones, depending on the scenery. Obviously, brighten things up, make it a bit warmer, had directional lights, some really edgy black and white, very detailed, very harsh tones, and then of course typical greens and darks for nice moody scenes. So we're going to enter in name, email, and we're going to download the presets and then we'll continue. All right. So click download. Everybody should go through this process. Now it's best to do it on the desktop. I have had issues installing the presets on mobile, so please do it on desktop. It works perfect every time. So first we're going to go into our adjustments panel, and then at the bottom you'll see, let me change the window. You'll see the presets available. So go ahead and click that. And then go ahead and click the three buttons at the top. And then if you manage presets, you'll be able to manage all the different ones you have available to you. And then same button, go to import presets, select the zip file that you downloaded, the presets that I gave away for free. And then there you have it, all the presets available, ready to go. And all you need to do is click it and to begin, and I'll create another video to show you how to best manage them.